Good morning. We are going to install a 12K GWIN mini splits. We have our line set, control cable, indoor unit, outdoor unit, and condenser pad. This is by far the biggest microwave I've ever seen. And here we have a guide for the mounting of the indoor unit. By far the best piece of art I've ever seen in my life. And unlike other mounting brackets, GWIN systems do have a built-in level, so no need to go back to your van and grab one. So now what we're doing is making sure that we have the right clearance for the air handler and that we are mounting it to the stud so it doesn't fall off your house. That would be a really bad time. So here we have our indoor unit. It is a 12K BTU air handler. Exclusive GWIN units. This is by far the biggest piece of stove I've ever held in my life. So now we have the air handler installed. You see we have it up on the mounting bracket, which is fantastic. And this was done by only one tech. Like I said, it's the best so far on the market. GWIN systems use a vertically mounted PCB board to protect the integrity of the board. And not just that, it has wide voltage operation from 165 to 265 volts. Not only is it easily serviceable, a vertically mounted PCB board deters any bugs or any critters that may want to rest inside the board. It's one of the best pieces of cheese I've ever seen. So what we have going on now is mounting your condenser to the condenser pad. Think of it like a cozy bed for your condenser, but you do want to make sure that it's level for a clean install. One thing to take in mind when you are unboxing your condenser, you do not want to lay a condenser on its side. It's going to create oil traps and it's overall going to be a nightmare for your install. So make sure when you're moving it around, you keep it upright like so. And by the way, we have the best logo in the business. So one important thing is to make sure that the wiring is aligned correctly. I'm not an electrician, I have no idea, but I do know that one wire out of place will create problems for you in the future. So make sure you have someone who knows what they're doing or a certified electrician handling this side. So we are bundling the line set with the control wire so we can run it through the hole that we made in the wall so it can run outside down into the outdoor unit. And that is the way you package noodles together. So a leak test was just performed here. This is to ensure the integrity of the refrigerants, making sure nothing gets out of there so your system will perform consistently for the duration of its warranty period, which is 12-year parts, 12 years compressor, 5 years labor and refrigerant warranty. So when you order your system, be sure to order a line guard with it as well. The line guard will protect the line set from any deterioration, and it also makes it look much nicer in your house. The last thing you want is the sun hitting the line set directly. Be sure to pick up a line guard, a whip and disconnect, condensate pad, or a wall bracket. We got it all. Check us out at GWINHVAC.com. Alright guys, and that is the wrap up for this install. This is blowing ice cold. We said GWIN features a 12-year parts, 12 years compressor warranty, 5 years labors and refrigerant. Right now it is kicking strong, so I don't think we leave the warranty, but it's there just in case.